What's up, guys? We got a pretty fun video for you today. We wanted to try something new. Also, riding in Michigan has been really terrible lately. It's been miserably cold. It's like 5 degrees right now. I'm absolutely freezing. Taking the YXZ out with no cab on it and kind of a crappy windshield is just kind of miserable quick. And we haven't had enough snow for snowmobiling, so we're kind of in a drought as far as riding. And then I'm waiting on some parts to come in for this wrecked YXZ rebuild. I did pick the cage up. It's over there. It's absolutely awesome. The video on that's going to be coming soon. This weekend we're planning on tearing it apart, getting things bent back into place, getting the old cage off of there. So I'm really excited to start that. But in the meantime, we just wanted to come out with another video. What we ended up doing is kind of a reaction style video. We watched a bunch of clips that I had saved on YouTube. They ended up mostly being mainly crash videos. We had a really good time recording it. It was a lot of fun. If I had to do it again, there's some things I could have done better, but if you guys like this style video, maybe, you know, we'll keep improving and they'll get better and better. But check it out and let me know what you think.
What's up, y'all? So I wanted to start off this video with a little intro, and mainly because I want the most important thing to be that the guy in this video, James, who was driving the Turbo S,
Don't say he died.
just wanted everybody to know, first and foremost, that he is fine.
Oh, good.
He's doing okay. He bumped his head a little bit and went and got checked out.
That's gonna be
totally fine. He's back. We're all back. And
yeah.
James bumped his head.
I want to see him bump his head.
Yeah, what the heck, dude?
Oh, he made it. Oh no! Oh no, James.
No, that's a lot of damage.
That was like worst case.
Dang, dude. He had it.
It looked really cool.
Dude, he should have just kept on throttle.
Dang. Looks like an RC car.
Yeah. It's like the freaking toilet bowl thing.
Ah, put your arm in. Oh god. Dude, there's no way I would ride in Utah. I don't ever ride without a helmet on, but
Oh, not like something like that.
doing stuff like that, no way.
Yeah.
Stock cage, no helmet.
You're just somebody else, James.
Dang.
I was gonna say, how are you gonna get that?
Oh, that would be a pain. I never thought about getting it out of there.
Yeah. You're like in a hole, 20-foot hole.
Oh,
Winch in? No, winch in.
Oh, dang. Oh, he got road rash for sure. Oh, I think I've seen this one. This one's bad.
I've tried to do this. Oh god.
Oh, dang, here we go.
This guy's in Grand Rapids.
Right, yeah. What the heck? Damn.
Oh.
The vacation rentals.
YXZ.
Oh, man.
Oh! Yeah!
Stock cage.
Watch out, he finna air it out. He finna air it out.
You gonna air it
When you
out?
get a bunch of people watching you,
Yeah.
it's bad news.
Yeah, for sure. Dang.
Oh.
Oh.
Dang. That's awesome.
Stay on time, Rob. We'll fix it. Don't worry about it. We'll straighten it out.
Oh.
Like the small town county fair. Man.
Oh, I miss my Warrior. I love that thing. I did the same thing on that.
He doesn't say did it nosedive like that.
That's another warrior.
Oh,
isn't
it cut out. Oh boy.
How the hell did they do that? The angle of that ramp. People say my intrusion bar is in the way. Look at that field of view.
It's ridiculous.
That is a squeaky piece.
It's a race machine. Trench out.
I can't believe he's still moving. Oh. Oh.
See.
Dang. I bet that's a lot steeper than it looks on camera. I hate that when you climb a huge hill and it looks like nothing on camera. That sucker keeps rolling.
Man. He's still hanging on the steering wheel. Let go.
It's just slow.
Honestly, you probably drive out of that. Oh man. Where's homie's other tire, dude?
Oh.
Yeah, it has no front wheels.
Oh. No helmet, of course.
Dude, it's always the utility quads, man. Oh, I've seen this.
Oh, that's not what I thought was gonna happen.
Freaking grandpa smoked the dumpster.
I hate when people put stuff like that on there side by sides and like when they name them like Jeeps and stuff. Right, like a 800 Razor with like something tough on there. Yeah. Like the Punisher.
Right.
His front wheels aren't even moving.
Jeez, oh Pete.
It's... Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Wonder if he was drinking.
Save the beer, dude.
Here we go.
Australia.
Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Vacation rentals again, dude.
Oh my god, Kaz, break.
Oh, dang. It didn't look that far.
Oh, man.
You alright? You okay? You alright?
You know that friggin' helmet on you? These dudes are nuts.
Looks like it's gonna float on the water. The way the tires are all tucked under it.
I was gonna say, it looks like it's turning into a freaking hovercraft.
That is officially a yard sale. Oh my
Dude.
How the hell are you gonna get it back to camp?
I like watching other people do this kind of stuff because I don't want to break mine.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Exactly. Aftermarket cage.
Oh, God.
He did have a helmet on.
Dang.
It came off. This BMX helmet, dude, freaking whipped off.
That inside view at the very bottom, my freaking stomach dropped because it's so far down.
Yeah, that is.
Oh, God.
Hey, where were you gonna go, man? Up that little valley there, I guess. Dang, that's such a hard hit. Oh, dang. He's floating forever.
Oh, God. I don't know if he hurt his arm or if he was just...
It looks so
I
violent.
knew he was going to hurt his arm.
Yeah.
Oh, no, he's got different trailing arms and A-arms. He's definitely crashed before. He knew what he was doing.
Yeah. Yeah, it looked like he was just trying to hug himself. Oh, that wheel's gone.
What kind of quad is that?
I don't know.
Oh. Dead one.
Gonna run himself over. What the thing going? What the heck? Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Oh god, this ain't good.
Oh. No.
Oh,
Did he
there's a
fall in the
net
water?
there. No. There's a net there. I don't know how he got through it.
Wait.
What the heck did he hit?
Oh,
what
I
the
thought he was
heck?
going to hit it right there. Or roll it.
Psyched me out. Are they in a razor?
Dang, how many helicopters they got?
They're shooting for Red Bull or something.
This is it.
This is it. I'm gonna send it.
You're going the wrong way.
Yeah. It's a hell of a run up.
Dude. At least they got a helicopter to take him to the hospital.
Right. They must be working on a world record or something so they can get like helicopter view.
That
I think just use a
couldn't be a
drone.
bumpier run up.
No, we need a helicopter. Screw little drone.
Back out.
Oh man.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh,
my
God.
gosh.
Dude.
Oh, throttle stuck.
Oh, his foot's down because he is
He's
dead.
he's knocked out for sure. Like you jump like over 100 feet straight to the roof of the car. Dang, dude.
Like that's gonna come out or turn out well.
Yeah. Oh, dang. Oh god.
Oh, Joy! Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Dang, they act like she was dying.
She definitely probably broke something.
For sure. Oh no.
Oh,
Oh
God, no.
dang.
No.
What an idiot.
Oh. I seen the kid move. Is he in his underwear?
Good, come on! Roll it!
That must have been his. Oh, that was a girl?
Oh, that was a girl.
It's-
I thought that was a little
Oh.
kid.
Dude, nobody wears helmets.
Nobody wears helmets these days.
Holy
Oh shit.
oh shit!
Oh my gosh.
Is Johnny on his YXZ?
Yep.
Oh.
This summer when we build jumps.
Oh, this one's sick.
Oh dang.
But this was for the next video, but it's
What
sick.
it was that thing?
I don't know, I found this channel. They made a 4-wheel drive 400EX. That thing...
That's what I was saying. I was seeing the front tires spinning.
Sounds like it's got like a R1 or a Hayabusa engine in it.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. That's not a quad engine, dude.
That thing is nasty, though.
It's got to be R1. R1 or R is like 600 or something.
God. He rode it out really well. Oh.
Yeah. Get out of the way, dude. Holy crap. Dude, just having an R1 swap quad would be insane enough. Having a 4-wheel drive.
Yeah. Speed wells. That's the worst feeling when you're water skipping, is when that starts doing that.
Yeah. Freaking speed wobbles across the water.
I think that's it.
All right, that was the video. Sorry if it was a little bit choppy. This was our first time doing screen recording and having 2 different cameras going at the same time and trying to get them all into the same video. I learned a lot doing this, so hopefully the next one will be a lot smoother. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys like this style video or if we're kind of wasting our time on it. We really enjoyed watching the videos and talking, and I mean, it was really fun to make. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it just as much as we enjoyed making it. If this is your first time on the channel, maybe check out some of our other videos. We have a lot of off-road content, side-by-side, sport quads, snowmobiles, off-roading in general. We do riding videos, some modification videos, tips and tricks, just, you know, whatever we're doing on the weekend, out riding, things like that. Yeah, check out those videos, and if you like what you see, maybe consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.